Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download music as an MP3 on YouTube. So, let's starting now. The first thing you need to do is just head over to the Google Chrome website. And once you're signed into your Google Chrome, click on the search bar and open the YouTube website. After this open you can click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. And then you need to click on the YouTube Studio. In this left hand navigation, we need to scroll all the way down to your audio library and click on this. And here you'll be able to find a bunch of different music and songs that you can go to download. Now, all of these audio tracks are completely royalty free, so you can go ahead and use these in your YouTube videos. You can go and click on the play button to hear a preview of what this song sounds like. And to download it, we just need to click on the download button over here. You can then click on your downloads folder. And as you can see, this will download it as an MP3. Thanks for watching. And don't forget like and subscribe.